Okay, good morning, all. Welcome to Lakshya Academy. This is the part 13 of excretory products and their elimination. Okay, students, most of you are not following these videos. I have been observing. Okay, some of you just opening the video. I told you in the previous videos also, just opening and seeing. But when you go to movies, okay, you are viewing one and a half hour or 2 hour movies without any break. But okay, you are not showing that much interest on your studies. That means you are more interested in watching movies than in our studies. Your priority, okay, you can understand. Okay, you can introspect yourself. Okay, I use the term introspect many times. Okay, introspect means ఆత్మ పరిశీలన చేసుకోవడం మనకి మనం. Okay, no one knows. I don't know, your parents do know what you don't know what you are doing. Okay, you have to introspect yourself. ఆత్మ పరిశీలన, నేను సరిగా చదువుతున్నానా లేదా, whether I am following lessons, whether I am following all the videos okay, that have been uploaded. Okay, how far I have reached in my preparation. You have got one golden opportunity. Okay, make use of this opportunity. Syllabus has been reduced, 30% syllabus has been reduced. That means your burden has been reduced nearly, okay, 30%. Okay, that is a good thing. But those students who have already completed their second year and who are taking long term coaching, they have to prepare 30% syllabus more than you. Okay, you are lucky. Okay, at one hand, okay, you are not in direct contact with us, but don't do such things. Don't skip videos. Okay, we'll watch full length video and write down notes and read them repeatedly and practice bits. Okay, I hope you do that. And your parents have a lot of hopes on you. Okay, not only your parents, it is your life. It decides your life settlement. You are in intermediate. Your future life depends on next year what to do. Okay, that is a big question in front of you. You have to question yourself. You have to start working hard. And hard means not you need to work hard. You have to do smart work as well as you have to do hard work. Okay, I hope you do that. Come to the cardiac output. Okay, you earlier you learned cardiac output in the previous lesson. Okay, what's that lesson? Body fluids and their circulation. Okay, what is meant by cardiac output? The volume of blood pumped out by each ventricle for 1 minute. Each ventricle of the heart for 1 minute is called cardiac output. Cardiac output is equal stroke volume into heart rate. Cardiac output is equal 70 ml into 75 times. 70 ml is the stroke volume, and this is the 72 times. What is the formula for stroke volume? I explained in the previous videos, in the previous lesson. Okay, if you don't know, okay, learn it again. Very important one. And 70 ml into 72 times, this is the normal heart rate, and that means cardiac output is equal 5040 ml. If you convert into liters, that is around 5 liters. And on average, 1100 to 1200 ml blood is subjected to filtration. When our heart pumps blood 5 liters per 1 minute, entire blood does not come to our heart, sorry, our kidney. There are some other organs in our body as well. We have brain, we have upper limbs, we have lower limbs. Blood also goes to other body parts, not only kidney. Okay, in this cardiac output, 5 liters, okay, approximately 1 liter is going to the kidney, remaining 4 liters going to the other body parts. That means 1 by 5, okay, remain our cardiac output is 5 liters. In these 5 liters, 1 liter is going to the kidney. That means 1 by 5th of the cardiac output is going to your kidney for minute. Both kidneys. On average, 1100 to 1200 ml of blood is subjected to filtration. okay, by the kidneys for minute, which constitute about 1 by 5th of the, okay, 1 by 5th pumped by each ventricle of the heart in a minute. Understand, I think. Okay, that means 1 by 5th of the heart cardiac output is filtered by our kidneys for both kidneys per minute. What is meant by GFR? It is important, 2 marks. GFR, glomerular filtration rate. The amount of filtrate formed by both kidneys, very important for objective as well as IP, 2 marks. The amount of it was given in previous IP papers. The amount of filtrate formed by both kidneys per minute is called glomerular filtration rate. The amount of filtrate formed by both the kidneys per minute is called glomerular filtration rate. GFR in a healthy individual is approximately 125 ml per minute. Okay, GFR, that means how much blood is coming to our kidneys for 1 minute from our heart? 1 liter approximately. In that 1 liter is filtered, and in that 1 liter of blood, okay, entire blood does not convert into filtrate. Only how much blood comes to, okay, comes to this part. Okay, here filtration taking place. For example, 1 liter is going, blood is going to the kidneys for 1 minute. Entire blood does not come to here, does not come here, does not come here. Entire blood. Only how much blood come here? 125 ml only for minute. That is called glomerular filtration rate. GFR is normally in an individual is 125 ml per minute. That is 180 liters per day. Okay, how much blood is coming to the kidneys for 1 minute? 1 liter. In that 1 liter, how much is converted to filtrate? That is 125 ml per minute. Okay, this is called GFR value. Although 180 liters of glomerular filtrate is formed, okay, for each day, the kidneys normally excrete 1 to 1.5 liters of urine in a 24-hour period. Okay, normally we are excreting 1 to 1.5 liters of urine per day. But how much filtrate is formed in our kidneys? Okay, how much? 180 liters. Okay, do we have 180 liters in our body? No, the same blood is filtered by kidneys again and again. Okay, how? What about remaining 178.5 liters that is reabsorbed? How that reabsorption takes place? That is our next second step. Okay, our kidneys are filtering for 1 minute 1 liter of blood approximately. In that only it is kind of 1.125 ml only converted to filtrate. That is called glomerular filtrate. Remaining 99% approximately, that is reabsorbed. That means our kidneys efficiency is 99%. Okay, right. See the next one. Okay, here filtrate is formed here. Filtration takes place, and glomerular filtration, as a result of glomerular filtration, what is formed? Glomerular filtrate is formed. Ultrafiltrate is formed. Renal fluid is formed. Primary urine is formed. Water. Oh, the substances present in the, okay, that glomerular filtrate can be categorized into based on necessity of reabsorption. అవి మన బాడీలోకి, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అబ్జర్వ్ హియర్, సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద సబ్స్టెన్సెస్ ఇక్కడ బ్లడ్లోకి వస్తున్నాయి ఫ్రమ్ హియర్. దట్ మీన్స్ ఒక అవన్నీ కూడా మన బాడీకి అవసరం. దే ఆర్ రీఅబ్జర్వ్ మీన్స్ దే ఆర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ అవర్ బాడీ. All are not reabsorbed, some are reabsorbed. Okay, renal substances, renal fluid లో ఉన్న substances ని we call, renal filtrate లో ఉన్న substance we call renal substances. Based on the necessity of reabsorption, the substances of the glomerular filtrate can be categorized into the substances present here. Renal filtrate is formed based on the necessity of those substances to our body. Okay, they are classified into 3 types. What are they? One is high threshold, that means highly useful to our body. Low threshold, they are now, okay, little amount of useful, now small amounts. A threshold, they are not useful to our body. Okay, essential for High threshold substances are there. High mean they are essential for our body, not essential for our body. These are also not essential for our body, and efficiently these are efficiently reabsorbed in a very little amounts and not reabsorbed at all. Okay, these are high threshold, that means highly important for our body. These are low threshold, that means not essential for the body, and these are also not essential. And these are actual excretory products. These are the substances which they have to be eliminated from the body. Actual excretory products are the a threshold substances, efficiently reabsorbed, absorbed in a very little amounts, not reabsorbed at all. Examples: glucose, amino acids, vitamins, and salts. Okay, these all are reabsorbed because they are very important. That's their high threshold. What are the examples for high threshold? Glucose, amino acid, vitamin, salt. Next one, low threshold: urea, uric acid. A threshold: creatinine. Note: a substance is excreted in the urine only when its concentration in the plasma exceeds a certain renal threshold volume. Okay, a substance is excreted through the urine when the concentration in the plasma, in our blood plasma, okay, it exceeds, okay, beyond, when it is beyond certain renal threshold fluid volume. అంటే మన బాడీలో కొన్ని సబ్స్టెన్స్ మనం ఎక్సెస్గా తీసుకున్నప్పటికీ అవి మన బాడీలో ఎంతవరకు అవసరమో అవే ఉంటాయి. రిమైనింగ్ దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ అవుట్ సైడ్ త్రూ. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ సిట్రస్ ఫ్రూట్స్ లైక్ నీమ్, బటావియా, ఆరెంజ్, ఇలాంటి విటమిన్స్ ఉన్న సి విటమిన్ ఎక్కువగా తీసుకుంటే మన బ్లడ్లో సి విటమిన్ ఎంతవరకు అవసరమో అంతవరకే ఉండి మిగతాదంతా కూడా ఏ విటమిన్ యూరిన్లో బయటకు వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. For example, glucose has high threshold, and urea has low threshold, and creatine has no threshold. That means it is a threshold substance. ఇది మన బాడీలో ఉండకూడదు. ఇట్ ఈస్ మన బాడీకి అవసరం లేదు కాబట్టి it is a threshold substance. It has to be eliminated through urine.